the vegetable fried rice, you'll need green peas, carrots, ginger, garlic, red onions, red pepper, green pepper, coriander, yellow pepper, paprika, cumin, and pre-cooked rice. You can also use your leftover rice just to give it a makeover, and with this corona period you don't want to waste anything. So this is a great recipe. It's easy to make, and just yeah. So first you heat up your oil, and I am using fresh fry vegetable oil with garlic. So once the oil is hot enough, drop in your onions, and followed by your ginger and your garlic. I have dropped in my onions. Remember to dice your onions, because when you dice, the diced onions look better in rice. So next I'm adding in my ginger and garlic. So there you go. So you let that cook for about 2 minutes, and then add in your peas. We're adding the peas at this stage because they take a bit longer to cook. So after the peas, we'll add in our diced carrots. So there you go. So next I'm adding in my carrots. I mix that all in like that. So again, you let that cook for 2 more minutes. Be careful because the peas tend to jump out like popcorns. They're almost tender. So let that cook for about 2 minutes, then add in your peppers, and then stir. So yeah, peppers goes in, the peppers. There goes my red pepper. So I have added in all the 3 peppers, or hohos. So I stir that and let that cook. Be careful not to let your vegetables to turn color, because they won't be as appealing as they are right now. So yeah, so you let that cook. So there you have it. So I take a teaspoon of cumin and about half a teaspoon of paprika. I stir that in. Next, I'm adding my rice. So I have added in my rice. So lastly, I throw in my coriander. Remember, the rice had some salt when you're boiling, so there's no need to add salt in this, but you can taste. If you feel like you need to add more salt, you can go ahead and add more salt. It all depends on what suits your palate. So I'll just Mix this again and remove it from heat. For the buttered chicken, you need butter, chicken breast. It doesn't matter how you slice them. I chose to cut mine in strips. You need juice from half a lemon, coriander, black pepper, garlic, light soy sauce, superior light soy sauce, rosemary, parsley, and thyme. So I'm going to mix all this. I'm going to mix rosemary, thyme, and parsley in this bowl. I'm going to use a teaspoon of each. So you also need some salt to taste. So first you mix your salt and black pepper, then pour that on the chicken like what I've just done. Mix that well as you're heating up your tablespoon of butter. So the butter is hot enough. Next you throw in your chicken. So you can use a wok pan like the one you used to fry mandazi and all that and so on. Or you can use a pan, a normal pan that you use for your not chapatis but your eggs. So it all depends what you. So from the looks of things, I should have used a pan, but still you will put them. So next, I am adding in my garlic. So once you add the garlic, you mix that in, and then you take your spices and just pour over. So in goes my spices. So I'll mix that all in well and let it cook for a minute or a minute and a half. So there you go. So the chicken has started turning brown, which is a good thing. Look at that color. So next I'll add in my light soy sauce and the lemon juice. Like that. So my chicken is ready. So next I put in, I put in some coriander, turn a little and remove from heat, then serve. So there you have it. My vegetable fried rice with buttered chicken. So I've garnished with fresh coriander. Thank you again for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell down below. That is if you're joining us for the first time. So thank you. Until next time. Bye.